In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install your Epson L550 series printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser and into Google, just search for Epson L550 support. Best result should come back with an Epson support page, epson.eu. Go ahead and open that up, Epson L550 support. Go underneath Product Setup and select the Software Updater. And you want to just go ahead and download that. Open up the file on your computer. It should be a verified publisher. Select Yes. And then just proceed with the on-screen wizard here. You need to go ahead and just accept the end-user license terms and then proceed with the installer. And that's pretty much it. You can make your preferred feature customizations as well as connect to your Wi-Fi network. Please note that your printer should be connected to your Wi-Fi before coming to this point, just so that it can identify it in the list. If it doesn't come up, go ahead onto your printer itself, put your Wi-Fi credentials in, and then refresh this page here, and it should populate in the list underneath essential product updates once your product has been located. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.